I mean, all of this for a fan. Come on, Kia. Come on, Kia Sorento. What are y'all thinking? Just to get this off and get to the fan, which is ducked off up under here. Lord. Wow.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Rise and grind. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video, we got a 2019 Kia Sorento, and we're doing a fan assembly. So this is a new one, and the old one, the fan is like off track. I'll show you what a fan is. Right there. You see that? The whole fan is just detached. And it was making a loud noise when they would drive. And I figured it out. So this is what we got. Got these notches right here at the bottom of it. Slide that out of position once you get these 10 mils out. 10 mil, 10 mil, and we got a connector. So that's what we're gonna work on right now. I'm gonna remove this so I can get better access. I already unhooked that. Alright, so you can pretty much get it loose from there, and but you won't be able to come out. So we gotta work on this top portion. Let's see what we gotta do here. Alright, so we got 10 mil. Take out these clips here. 10 mil here. Then we got these screws, there's 4 of them. Take those out. Then it'll separate from here. So right behind here, there's 2 screws. And you can get it out like that, and that's on both sides in order for that to come out. We got some clips here. Alright, see what else we got. 10 mil. Slide that out. That's a 10 mil. Okay. So we got bolt up under here and one up under here. We're gonna try to move this forward. Let's see if we can squeeze this fan through. I'm really experimenting here. I'm not sure exactly how it's done. Didn't see a video and didn't have time to research. But it's possible this bumper may have to come off. Alright, in order to get down here, in order to get down here to this bolt, it's probably on both sides. You're gonna have to take this bumper loose, drop it low. Alright, so we get back here. If you can move this flat back, look back here. That's that hole right there. You get a 10 mil. And it's on both sides. And you can pull away from it. You get in here. Alright, it's this little flap right here. That black piece, you gotta remove it in order to get to this bolt right here. That bolt, you gotta remove it. That's for the bottom of the bumper. Alright, see what we got now. A lot more space in there. Now this side, pretty much the same thing. That's the bolt. It's easier to get to. That's what that bolt is. All that so we can get to that bolt right there. Can't forget the other one. Voila. This is one hell of a design, boy. Alright, once we got them out, those two bolts, look what we got. We can pull this out. You see the fan? Kia. This is insane. Just for a fan. So on this side we got this hole right here. This is stuck off in there. Use that to get it out. Now we're free. Alright, we're gonna have to get these supports, radiator supports. Looks like we got some bolts right here, and on the other side as well. And we can move this radiator back, and then we can just pull this fan on out. What we got? Lord, if it ain't one thing, it's enough. Push that over to the side to get that through there, possibly. So I got it to do that slightly, and just bend it just a little, and we should be able to pull it out. Might be in the way. Might want to take this off. 10 mils. Did that do any justice? Is it hooked up? Okay, we got a alright connector. Alright, that's what I'm looking for. And we can work with that. As you can see, we're getting through. And the other piece. Alright, so we going in with the new one. And we in there. Make sure you get down in there the slots. And then put your bolts in, your 10 mil. So I started it up. Wanted to make sure the fans are working. The big kick on. So that's good. We're gonna put it back together. And we all set. So I do want to point out this here. So when you put in that plastic piece back here, you gotta make sure they snug in there. They go by. You'll see how it goes. They gotta go over this black piece. So that's that on that side and this side as well. See how you get them. See how you gotta get them. Make sure they overlap in this black piece. And that's gonna be it, man. Until next time, pull up, King.